Oh my God, you guys. This has to be the most clutch hack ever. You have to save this. You might not use it today or tomorrow, but I never thought I would need this until about a week ago when this happened to me in our brand new house. I got paint on the floor and I was literally going to cry. I thought we were going to have to throw the whole house away. My husband came in with this whole idea, and if you don't have a carpet cleaner, this is for you. All you need is hot water. You scrape it up at the beginning, all the excess that you can, and then you pour hot water on it, and you vacuum it with a shop vac. And look at this. It looks brand new. You guys, where have I been? More shit that I somehow just didn't know about. And hopefully you'll save this so one day when you need it, you have it.
We're just going to call this things that I wish people taught me before I was 30. Brand new stove, water overflows on the pot, and it burns the glass top. What do? Leave it? No. Is it ruined? Nope. My best friend. Yes, I know it's very chemically. Don't care.
If you're a housekeeper, don't live it like this. Live it like this. Don't live it like this. No, no, no. Live it like this, a beautiful rose. Don't you live it like this. Please, oh please, no. Live it like this. So much better, right? Don't live it like this. Live it like this. So pretty. Okay, don't live it like this. Live it like this, which is the way that they fold towels that'll add a lot of spas. And doesn't that look like super pretty? Don't live it like this. No, no, no. Live it like this. So pretty, like really, really cute, right? And you guys, I have tutorials on here on TikTok on how to do all of those things. So go look them up. They're super easy. They're small details, but they mean a lot.
And yeah, you guessed it. I'm just gonna take a shower and wash my shower as I shower. How many times can I say shower? Are you counting it? Okay, so I'm gonna put my my brush, my raggedy sponge, don't judge her, she's mine, and my dish soap, because nothing works better to get grease and body oils off of your shower than dish soap. I promise you. Now, when I'm in the shower, I always put in my hair mask and I leave it on for about 10 minutes. So in that time is when I take advantage and wash my shower. I'm not lying to you. That's a speaker. You're gonna take your sponge, your soap, and clean away. Yay! You're not gonna get wet because you're already dripping wet. Move everything from one side to the other. Wait to clean the floor until last. Don't forget the doors.
You know, I love doing things for my clients that kind of lets them know that I was here. And they might be small things, but to them, I really think it makes a huge difference, you know, kind of like just fixing things and making them look pretty again. I don't know, I enjoy those things. Instead of coming home to this, they can come home to this, you know? And instead of this, they can come home to this. Instead of this, they can come home to a nice rose. Or instead of this, they can see this. Also, imagine someone comes and cleans your house, but also takes your doggies out to go potty. Come on, Sage. Come on, let's go potty. And instead of seeing this when you come home, you can see this. It's the little things, you know?